anginnya sudah semilir. Iya.
Semriwing. Telinga terasa ini.
Ini bahkan ini bagus, Cak, soalnya mengusir binatang-binatang kecil yang tadi kayak lalat gitu.
Lalat atau juga ada kumbang.
Iya, kumbang.
Romantis sekali seperti kumbang di tengah-tengah sawah ya.
Cak, tapi kita kan belum ngobrol sama pengelola di sini.
Atau pemilik lah gitu. Ini kebetulan kita ketemu dengan pengelola, manajer.
Iya,
Mas
halo.
Chris.
Hi.
Hey, how are you doing?
Good, how are you? So, how long have you been working here, Chris?
2 going on 3 years.
And then how is everything going this season?
This year's been very profitable. We've been growing, and our clientele has been growing too.
You have become manager because you are familiar with the farming, or because you are farmer
No,
yourself?
I was friends with the family, and then worked my way to just being steady help.
Describe what you do in the farm. What do you have to do?
Well, we're a pick your own farm, so it's all just tending to vegetables and fruit, and then during the winter, we only rely on our cattle. So, that's our backbone.
What kind of fruit and vegetable do you grow here?
We have everything running from strawberries in May, going to cherries, going to peaches, going to apricots, going to plums, going to pears, then finally to our apples, and then we have a bunch of vegetables to go along with that. We grew, I think it was 2,400 tomato plants this year.
Which one is most profitable?
It really depends. Apples are very profitable, but at the same time, they don't have the same crowd. A lot of people flock to us for our peaches, so that's our big summer crop.
People in Indonesia, our audience, they don't have winter, so they're wondering, what do you do in farms during winter time?
Well, all of our vegetables die back, and there aren't too many winter crops that'll survive. So what we have to do is rely on our cattle or livestock. I personally have chickens, so I tend to my chickens and goats. So,
Chris, I went into the kandang stable.
Barn.
Barn, small barn, and empty. I
Yes.
expect this like a animal or something. Where are they going?
What's that for?
On the weekends, I bring up my personal animals and put them out so people can see them and for show. But during the week, I don't have any kind of protection up here for them, so I bring them down to my house and house them down there.
And what kind of difficulties you face in dealing with this farm? Or challenge?
The biggest challenge is just the rough terrain. Being on a mountain, you can't always till the land and whatnot because it'll erode away. So we have to find other crops like fruit trees and things like that to farm instead of vegetables.
But in here, there's a lot of machine that can help you
To do farm work?
farm work.
Yeah, there are, but at the same time, you got to find somebody reliable.
I mean, do you still have like a strong and healthy people to farm here? Because in Indonesia, you have to be strong and healthy to become farmer because you have to do,
A lot
Yeah.
of physical work.
Yes.
Yeah.
physical work.
I mean, yeah, definitely. If you want to do the hands-on part, you have to be strong. And but I mean, American farming relies a lot on tractors and other implements to do the job or to assist you doing the job.
Recently, some people think that small farmer becoming more and more marginalized.
Small farms, yeah. What do you think of the future of the small farms?
Well, I think we need small farms to grow and survive. I mean, this farm's great because it provides so much for all of the residents of DC and the surrounding area. But at the same time, I mean, we need to grow with small farms. There can't just be large farms.
Okay, thank you very much, Chris.
Thank you, Chris.
Neng,
Good
aku
luck.
penasaran Iwan, bisa nggak
Yeah.
dia ngajarin saya untuk
Coba
untuk,
panen kacang.
kacang?
Nah,
Do you mind if you help me to?
can you show us how to
Yeah, do you want to dig?
dig some
some
peanuts?
Peanuts?
Yeah.
I've never done that before.
Sweet potatoes and potatoes over there too.
Oh wow, ada ubi, Cak.
Ubi, Kak. Tapi saya pengen kacang. Karena
Mau kacang?
Waktu kecil saya sering
Obsesi
mencuri kacang.
dengan kacang rebus.
Mencuri.
Oke.
Saya pengen sekarang.
Ya sudah, ini jangan mencuri
Jangan
lagi
mencuri,
ya. Nanti bayar ya.
Bayar ya.
Oke, ya pemirsa. Sekarang ini ya, kita mau panen kacang dulu.
Some, you know,
Pretty
good.
good.
Some is still very too young.
Very young. Alright, thank
Thank you.
Chris. Yeah. Alright.
Iku wis diwarai diajari kacang. Nah, aku
Iya.
zaman cilik aku nulis karena nyolong. Cepet-cepet gini langsung tak jebol ora perlu gawe iki.
Gitu ya,
Heeh.
Kak, ya. Apa nggak ketinggalan semua kacangnya di bawah,
Tapi
Cak?
kalau makan yang terlalu banyak mentah, weteng iso masur-masur.
Iya, iya.
Ngatur obrolan parkir dhisik lan terusnya sak wise sing
Pesen-pesen
siji iki.
iki.